In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an attribute block in AutoCAD. Start by typing attribute in the command line and press enter to open the attribute definition dialog box. Enter a tag name, a prompt for the user, and a default value for the attribute. After configuring the settings, click OK and place the attribute in your drawing. Next, select the geometry and the attribute, then type B and press enter to create a new block. Specify a block name and base point, then confirm the selected objects and click OK. From now on, whenever you insert the block, AutoCAD will prompt you to enter the attribute value. Attribute blocks are extremely useful for title blocks, labels, part numbers, and other repetitive information. They help standardize drawings and make editing data much faster and more efficient. You can also edit attribute values later using the EATTEDITEDITTDIT commands. This makes attribute blocks ideal for projects that require frequent updates and consistent documentation. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.